Koshin is introducing a new line of heavy construction and industrial duty trash pumps. These new pumps, powered by the Honda GX series engines, keep performing and stay on the job longer than before. The 4-inch model, the KTH 100X, has dramatically increased flow rates that are up to 25% greater than previous models. Additionally, its head pressure is over 20%. The KTH 80X 3-inch trash pump has flow rates that are up over 11%, with total head up over 10%. This increased performance means that Koshin pumps move water to greater heights than ever before. These improvements keep Koshin pumps on job sites pumping more trash water for longer periods of time and with less downtime. The new design of the front cover permits removal to clean debris without removing the entire suction or discharge hoses, while the placement of the handles allows a horizontal or vertical alignment of the front cover for easier installation or removal. And with the addition of the standard lifting eye, placement on the job has never been easier. Koshin engineers have ensured that these subtle changes come with big returns. The high chrome cast impellers now have a cast hex boss for easy removal. This high chrome impeller is actually 1,200% harder than standard cast iron. Koshin developed silicone carbide mechanical seals outperform standard ceramic seals over 100 to 1 in dirty water applications. Volutes are cast from spheroidal graphite ductile iron, and no wear plates are necessary, ever. These volutes are 650% harder than the standard cast iron volutes used in the industry. The result of all of this is that with less maintenance and downtime, pump performance remains higher over a longer period of time. The Koshin provided multi-tool has 3 functions: hose spanner wrench, priming plug tool, and front cover tool, all in one. And the front cover can also be removed with a standard screwdriver. The KTH 80X 3-inch trash pump has increased displacement over 12% from the GX240 to the GX270, and an increase of 15% on the KTH 100X from the GX340 to the GX390. Both engines come standard with low oil alert, which shuts down the engine in the event of a low oil situation. What does this all boil down to for you? A higher return on investment.